try. Almost there. Come on now. There you go. Fuck those emissions. All right, here we go.
Good. It's in reverse. Yes. I'm totally in reverse. Watch. Okay, you're gonna do it?
Yeah, no.
Oh, what'd you do? Don't. I was in reverse.
I love you, but that thing wasn't right.
It was 100% saying reverse.
All right.
Still in reverse. Wait. Oh shit. Why is it still rubbing? Okay. All right. Triton, do you need your seatbelt?
Why'd you go to the neighbor's yard? Than you were in ours.
I was going, shit.
No, you wait till you got in the neighbor's yard and you fucking.
But I mean, like, I circled and then, like, I thought that I was in